with my colleague Massin and Antoine to create a tiny game about the data that you can find on the LOD. So none of us is able to speak Luxembourgish. You have no notion. You can even not play to our game. And just for fun, we are coming from an old mining company whose aim is just to create stainless steel. So being said, it's super easy. So it's a game. Maybe you play it when you were wrong. You choose a letter, and you need to find words that start by this letter in different categories. And if you fail or if you run out of idea, we'll give you hints. So the best is maybe to just do a demo. So it's a website. You choose a letter here.
So maybe try someone to play the game.
I will even not be able to type this word if you speak to me in Luxembourg. So I have my notes, and it's a technical demo. So for example here, I remember that for people in this category, I can put neurolog. And if it's correct, and if I validate, it should be green. No, neurolog. Wait. Oh, so next time it will be correct. And for the overall, because I failed, it will give me a hint. So if I remember well, it will give me the translation into English. So it can maybe help me to find the Luxembourgish word. So second trial, and here we go. So there is probably a Luxembourgish word we start by a N with the translation into English is nougat. And I can fail and so on and so on. So the next time, it's a synonym. And the synonym is supposed to be written in Luxembourgish, but it cannot start by a N, so that you cannot really cheat for the next time. And so on and so on. So again, if you fail, what we did, so in the LOD, you have the word put into context with an example. So I extracted this sentence and just obfuscate that famous word with stars. So if some of you are able to find, I don't know, a name which corresponds to this sentence and type a word here, you can try or maybe later, so that I won't be too long. But it worked. So I will, for example, here, because I have my notes. It's already there. So the next time the city name will be probably correct. If you fail, so the next time it's a little bit tricky, so we rely on another API to give you an image of this famous word. So probably I could reply in English like René, but I don't know how to say in Luxembourgish. But there is a word in Luxembourgish which means René, if you see the image. The last chance for you, I think, to find this word, it's the audio L. And again, we just use the LOD metadata, so there is a profession. So it's probably correct. Can someone confirm? So if you type it and if it's correct, you will increase your score and it will be green. And I think it's done because then for the trial number 7, you have one possible solution. Yes. For example, this one. I will put this one, put there. So the next time it will be correct. Hopefully. Yes, no? No. It should be fine. Sooner or later, yes. That's all. Okay. Thank you very much.